Some women don't just like sex. Sometimes they are born that way. Sometimes they grow into that. But have you ever wondered what causes it? It's a bacteria in their stomach. I'll blow your mind in this video, so make sure you watch till end. So let's look at the first three bacteria that are culprits for regulating sexual attraction in women. And this bacteria is in the stomach, the intestines, okay? One is bifidobacterium and lactobacillus, okay? But the last one I'll talk about, which is the most important, is rumino. This one, the name is too long, okay? So it turns out that when these two, bifido and lactobacillus, when they are big in high quantity in the body of the woman, she will start rejecting sex from her man. So imagine a married woman that this thing eventually grows, the population grows in her stomach, all of a sudden she has changed, and the man is wondering what is happening to my wife. Okay? So the last one we're going to talk about is, so follow me. Make sure you subscribe and follow me and share. Click the share button. So what does the first one do, bifidobacterium? It actually helps in digestion. Okay, so when you eat, it helps you to digest the food properly, and yes, it helps with all these things. Okay, nutrient absorption, gut health, immune system, anti-inflammatory. Very nice bacteria. Okay, the problem is when it is in a high quantity in your body. Guess what? After some experiments, scientists found out that it helps with weight loss. A randomized control study found that overweight and obese adults who took capsules containing this strain along with other lactobacilli lost weight and improved their well-being. Okay, so you can actually get it from the pharmacy. Make sure you talk to your doctor before doing anything. Now, the second bacteria that we saw is lactobacillus, okay? Breaks down carbohydrates to produce lactic acid, which causes milk to sour. It's also used in the production of yogurt. So this is found in yogurt. So when you're taking yogurt, look at this. Some foods contain lactobacillus, include yogurt, okay? You see all this food here, kimchi, okay? And some types of bread. So that's how you get it, all right? Very good bacteria, normally. Problem is when it's too much. Let's see what happens when it's too much, okay? According to some animal study in 2023, combined result of 17 human studies and over 60 animal studies found that Lactobacillus acidophilus, okay, was one of the species that led to weight gain. Me personally, this is what causes me the most weight gain. I've noticed it. So whenever I take yogurt or parfait, if I take 3 cups per week, the next week, if I take another 3 cups, I will add at least 3 to 4 kg within 2 weeks. Finally, there's a science backing it up. For example, some studies have found out that this can help with diet-induced weight gain. See what I'm saying? You can read more. You can pause and read more. Interesting. So one of them makes you lose weight, one of them makes you gain weight. But once they're in high quantity, it kills the sex drive. Now, the last bacteria, which I told you is the most important. This ruminobacteria increases bacteria that produces butyrates, okay? A short chain fatty acid that may help control appetite, energy balance, and improve blood glucose. All right. Problem is when this bacteria is low. When it is low, the woman will not like sex. So it digests some sort of starch that is strong and resistant starches. So it's good. Problem is the population of it. So now, what foods? How can you improve this ruminobacteria? Okay, how can you improve it? So there are some foods that a woman can eat that will help to increase the quantity, and these foods are peanuts, herbs, and walnuts. Okay, what is peanut? Granite. That's what we call granite in Nigeria, especially the cooked one. Okay, that you do not fry and kill everything inside. The cooked one. Remember, you are looking for bacteria, all right? So make sure you speak with your doctor if you're having sexual challenges in your marriage. I'm giving you tips now. Now, the other thing is herbs. So what kind of herbs? All right. Some vegetables, okay? You have to avoid, are you looking at the bottom? You have to avoid processed foods, sugar, okay? And a lot of things. But I'll show you the actual herb. So look at this. Cinnamon, ginger, cumin, turmeric, rosemary, oregano, basil, and thyme. They provided fecal samples at the start of the study, okay, and the end of each diet period. So it turns out that When you eat these things, it improves this bacteria and can restore the sexual life in the family, sexual balance. So, if there's a family you know that is battling with this, especially if you're a woman, you know, just like man, you know, just like maybe your husband they touch you, you need to know that something in your stomach might be controlling you. Okay, so you improve some of these things. Make sure you speak with your nutritionist, then speak with your doctor. So back to this, I hope this video have saved some marriages. All right, if you're watching me for the first time, make sure you follow me, this plus sign, click this share button to share in your family group, in your church group, because many people will be going from prayer house to prayer house, not knowing that the prayer is not reaching to the stomach where the problem is. It's a medical condition that a medical professional will help you to address. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.